Hey investors, in new video about SANDBOX. Recently, on May 13th, SAND was esteemed at $1.11 at the turn of the two exchanging meetings. Recall that digital forms of money are exchanged day in and day out, so every exchanging meeting emblematically finishes at 12 p.m. The cost change, rate-wise, over the said period added up to 1.17%. A week prior, on May 7th, the SANDBOX was exchanged at $2.06 at the end of the exchanging meeting, denoting the 0% cost shift from that near its current position. On April 14th, which was by and large a month prior, the examiners exchanged SAND at $2.87, the cost level that is at the distance of 55.01% from where it right now stands. Yesterday, on May 13th, the market capitalization of the SANDBOX remained at $1,364,049,428. A week prior, on May 7th, the capitalization of SAND was $2,529,056,808. A month prior, on April 14th, how much capital streaming around this specific market added up to $3,324,457,557. The greatest stock of the SANDBOX is 300,000,000 SAND. The complete inventory of SAND right now remains at 300,000,000 coins. The circling supply of the digital currency under survey is 1,227,539,778 SAND. Over the beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume on the SANDBOX market was enrolled at $865,760,115. Yesterday, on May 13th, SAND had an exchanging volume of $755,807,129. A week prior, on May 7th, the normal day-to-day exchanging volume on that market added up to $361,057,666. The cost of the SANDBOX to the level at $1.29 where it presently sits. As currently referenced, SAND is a mid-position cryptographic money since it by and by possesses the 40th spot in worldwide cryptographic money rankings, the metric not entirely set in stone, by increasing the ongoing cost by the market capitalization of the advanced resource. On account of the SANDBOX, the market capitalization remains at $1,584,855,679. The significance of this boundary will be made sense of later. A few coins are taking a high leap as of late, and the majority of financial backers are drawn to the coin to get some high benefit from these coins in the impending years. SAND token has, as of late, acquired a lot of consideration on account of its attractive game. Further in this video, you will peruse session SAND price prediction for the year 2022 to 2026. Numerous things that it can possibly beat Mana and Infinity. Subsequently, in the event that you are wanting to purchase or currently purchase the token, you should be searching for SAND price prediction. Peruse the post further to know what's in store, costs of SANDBOX, and the most normally sought clarification on some pressing issues. The greater part of individuals are even bought this token, and presently, they are offering this also to get better yields. It is too difficult to even consider figuring out the ideal token to put resources into in light of the fact that first, you should visit some best exchanging sites to actually take a look at the pattern, and afterward, examine the diagram of the coin from which it was begun, and presently, what is the cost of the coin. In our vids, we share a few best coins of the market in which you can contribute without any problem. As of late, we are discussed the SANDBOX, SAND, badge of the market, which is drawing in numerous financial backers across the world. Alongside this, the dealer needs to check a few best badge of the market from which they can put resources into this token and get a better yield in the forthcoming years. It is essential to realize the SAND price prediction, since this is the most ideal way to get gains and basically top misfortune later on. On our site, you will find many coin cost forecasts that will be useful to purchase beneficial crypto. Indeed, we have previously told over that the ideal coin of the cryptographic money market isn't not difficult to track down, And assuming you are looking for this, you should figure out the market first and afterward, really look at the new state of the coin. At long last, we are here to give you each update of the coin, and you can put resources into this coin, since it very well may be the best opportunity to contribute or exchange the coin for the following couple of years. What is the SANDBOX? The token was sent off in 2011 by Pixel. The SANDBOX is a blockchain-based virtual world permitting all clients to make, fabricate, trade the resources as a game. By joining the powers of decentralized independent associations, DAO, and non-fungible tokens. As we can find on the internet that the token is known for making a decentralized stage for a flourishing gaming local area. According to the subtleties of the authority white paper, the token has the principal mission is to present the innovation of blockchain in standard gaming effectively. For the most part, the stage centers around an innovative play-to-acquire model, which permits every one of the makers or gamers. According to the sources, Arthur Madrid is a prime supporter and CEO at Pixel, and he is the main individual behind the progress of the token. In 2000, he moved on from Université Paris Dauphine with a degree in financial aspects. Go through the further video to learn about the SANDBOX cost expectation 2022. SAND price prediction. Since the token showed up on the lookout, it has been catching enormous consideration across the world, and numerous financial backers are in any event putting resources into the SANDBOX with a major sum. As we can see from the chart of the token, and it is quickly expanding, and financial backers are asserting that it will be great, assuming the financial backer will put resources into this token for quite a while. However, the gamble is generally accessible with the cost of the token, and it very well may be dropped down in the impending years. Assuming that you are intending to put resources into this token along these lines, you really want a few ideas from a specialist who can offer better guidance in regards to the token. According to the charts report, the SAND token showed up in August 2021, and it remained typical for quite a while. However, from the beginning of the year 2022, the token began to go potential gain, and from that point forward, it didn't drop down. It appears to be that now, the token has reached to its end, and once more, it will arrive at more in the forthcoming years. According to the ongoing sources, the cost of the token is $1.47 United States dollars, with an exchanging volume of $1,701,763,446.64 United States dollars, and the cost was changed by 32.53% as of now. It appears to be that the cost will arrive at more in the forthcoming years, and the market cap of the token is $1,273,890,490.34 United States dollars. While the ongoing position of the token is $84. Along these lines, how about we check the SAND price prediction? SAND token price prediction 2022. Presently, assuming you are intending to hold the token for the following couple of years in this way, it appears to be that the financial backers will get to see a few exorbitant costs in the impending years, and it will give astonishing revisitations of financial backers across the world. Any dealer can put resources into this token by effective money management. A couple of sums yet allowed us to let you that know if you are wanting to hold the token for the following couple of years along these lines. The gamble will likewise accompany the token. As indicated by the sources, the SAND token cost could be stretched around $12 United States dollars before the year's over. This is a solid SANDBOX cost forecast. Since it's a finished game, it tends to be an extraordinary interest from here on out. The game is even fit for beating Mana and other gaming projects.